Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to check how we can see the communication from client to management point if it has been able to reach out to the management point to receive any new policies for updates or deployment. So to do that we need to log into any of the client machine which has the SCCM client installed, and we need to use these two queries. You guys need to edit the management point as per your convenience, and you need to hit the same URLs in the browser to see if we are receiving any management point information. If by any chance we are receiving any errors, then we need to troubleshoot it further. So let me show it to you. I'll open the browser, I'll paste the first URL, and I will hit enter, and I can see my client is been successfully able to reach out to the management point, which is cm1.corp.contoso. The second link, I'll show it to you. We'll just paste it and we should receive the cert information. Here we go. This is my certificate for the management point. If by any chance you guys find out that the client we are receiving any error while using these links, that means there is some issue with the communication from the client to the management point. Either the management point is down, or either there is some network issue or some certificate issue, and we are not been able to communicate further. Thank you guys.